After 42 years as an ER surgeon, something unexpected began to surface. I started noticing the same symptoms in myself that I once observed in the seniors entering my clinic. The heavy legs, the sluggish circulation, that unsettling sense that your body no longer responds the way it used to. And that's when the truth landed. I wasn't just treating it anymore, I was living it. So I decided to test something, not in theory, but on my own body. I took the simplest daily habit, water, and I began experimenting. I added everything imaginable. More than 60 different powders, compounds, combinations again and again. Some did nothing, some made things worse. Most were entirely useless, but a few, only a few, changed something. Here's what surprised me. It was never about drinking more water. It was about how your body reacts to it. And after 60, that reaction fades unless you activate it the right way. When I finally narrowed it down, only 5 truly made a noticeable difference. Not slowly, not over months, but in a way you could actually feel. Better circulation, lighter legs, more response in the body. And that's when I understood why so many seniors do all the right things and still feel trapped. Because they're missing that one small shift that changes how the body uses what you give it. In this video, we'll reveal those 5 specific additions you can put in your water, ranked from least to most powerful, and number 3 is something I nearly overlooked at first. Yet it ended up making the biggest difference. If you're curious where this came from, I've put the details in the description below. Before we begin, here's a quick question. How old are you? I read every comment and truly want to know your age. Now let's start with number 5, because this one begins changing how your body responds within minutes. Number 5, cucumber and mint infusion. This first trick is one of the simplest changes you can make, yet most people completely miss it. We're talking about adding fresh cucumber slices and a handful of mint leaves to your water, letting it infuse for at least 30 minutes before drinking. Now, you might think this sounds like something from a fancy spa, but the science behind it is deeply serious. Cucumbers are packed with a compound called silica, which directly helps maintain the structural integrity of your blood vessel walls. As you age past 60, those vessel walls grow thinner and less elastic, making it harder for blood to flow smoothly. Silica helps reinforce the connective tissue holding those vessels together. A study in the Journal of Nutrition, Health, and Aging found that participants who increased dietary silica intake showed a 12% improvement in arterial flexibility over 12 weeks. That's significant because even a small gain in flexibility means better blood pressure regulation and more efficient oxygen delivery throughout your body. Now, the mint isn't just for flavor. Mint contains rosmarinic acid, a natural compound that acts as a vasodilator, meaning it helps your blood vessels relax and widen. When your vessels are wider, blood passes through with less resistance and less strain on your heart. A study in phytomedicine showed that rosmarinic acid reduced vascular resistance by roughly 15% in older adults within just 2 weeks of consistent use. The best way to prepare this is to take half a medium cucumber and slice it thin. Then grab about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves and gently crush them between your fingers to release the oils. Drop everything into a pitcher of filtered water and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes, though overnight infusion gives the strongest concentration. Drink this throughout the day, aiming for at least 3 full glasses. Consistency is key because the benefits build over time as your blood vessels gradually regain lost elasticity. You can make a fresh batch every morning and keep it cold so the compounds stay active and potent all day. One thing to remember is to use organic cucumbers when possible, since the skin holds most of the silica and you don't want pesticide residue in your infusion. This simple combination works on 2 fronts at once, strengthening vessel walls while also relaxing them for easier blood flow. It's a 1-2 punch that plain water simply can't deliver alone. But cucumber and mint are just the start, because the next trick targets something even deeper inside your bloodstream. But before we continue, if you've been enjoying the video so far, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you don't miss more videos like this. Number 4, lemon and raw ginger water. This combination has been used in traditional medicine for centuries, but modern science has finally caught up and confirmed exactly why it works so well for blood circulation in aging adults. We're talking about squeezing fresh lemon juice into your water and adding thin slices of raw ginger root. Lemon is one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C, and this vitamin is absolutely essential for producing a molecule called nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is like a master switch for your blood vessels. It tells them when to relax and widen, allowing blood to flow freely to your extremities, brain, and heart. The problem is that after 60, your body produces significantly less nitric oxide on its own. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that adults with higher vitamin C levels had 23% greater nitric oxide availability compared to those with low intake. That difference alone can mean the gap between healthy circulation and the kind of sluggish blood flow that leads to cold hands, fatigue, and cognitive decline. Now, the ginger is where things get even more powerful. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols and shogaols that have been shown to inhibit platelet aggregation, which is a fancy way of saying they prevent your blood from getting too sticky and clumping together. When blood platelets clump, they slow flow and increase the risk of dangerous clots. A clinical trial in thrombosis research showed that participants who consumed the equivalent of 2 grams of raw ginger daily experienced a 19% reduction in platelet aggregation after just 8 weeks. That means blood was flowing more smoothly with less risk of blockage throughout their entire cardiovascular system. To prepare this properly, take 1 full lemon and squeeze it fresh into a large glass of water. Then peel a 1-inch piece of raw ginger and slice it into thin coins before dropping them in. For maximum benefit, let the ginger sit in the water for at least 15 minutes so the active compounds leach into the liquid. You can also grate the ginger finely and stir it directly in if you prefer a stronger concentration. Drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach because absorption rates are highest when your digestive system isn't competing with food. Aim for at least 2 servings of this mixture per day, 1 in the morning and 1 in the afternoon. The lemon and ginger work synergistically, with vitamin C boosting nitric oxide production while ginger keeps the blood itself in an optimal flowing state. If you find the ginger too intense, start with a smaller piece and work your way up over a week or 2 as your palate adjusts. Now, this next trick takes things to another level because it targets the health of your red blood cells themselves. Number 3, beetroot juice diluted in water. If there's one drink that has taken the cardiovascular research world by storm over the past decade, it's beetroot juice, and for very good reason. Beets are the single richest natural source of dietary nitrates, which your body converts directly into nitric oxide through a pathway that starts in your mouth and continues in your stomach. This is critical because, as we discussed, nitric oxide is the key molecule that tells your blood vessels to relax and dilate. But here's what makes beetroot different from other nitric oxide boosters. The concentration of nitrates in beets is so high that the effects are measurable within just a few hours of drinking it. A groundbreaking study in the journal Hypertension found that participants who drank roughly 250 milliliters of beetroot juice experienced a significant drop in blood pressure and a 20% increase in blood flow to their muscles within just 3 hours. That's not a gradual improvement over months. That's your body responding almost immediately to a flood of usable nitrates. Another study from the University of Exeter, published in the Journal of Applied Physiology, showed that older adults who consumed beetroot juice daily for 2 weeks had a 16% improvement in exercise endurance, directly linked to better oxygen delivery through enhanced blood circulation. The reason we dilute it in water rather than drinking it straight is twofold. First, concentrated beetroot juice can be quite strong on the stomach for older adults, and diluting it makes it much easier to digest. Second, spreading it out in water means you sip it over a longer period, giving your body a more sustained release of nitrates rather than one overwhelming spike. To prepare this, take about 100 milliliters of pure beetroot juice with no added sugars and mix it into a large glass of water, roughly 300 milliliters. Stir well and drink it in the morning, ideally about 2 hours before any physical activity, because that's when peak nitric oxide conversion occurs. If you prefer whole beets, you can boil or roast 1 medium beet and blend it with water to make your own fresh juice at home. Consistency is key because daily intake keeps nitric oxide levels elevated throughout the day rather than creating short temporary spikes. One important note is that beetroot juice may turn your urine or stool a reddish color. This is completely harmless and is just a natural pigment called betanin passing through your system. Don't let it alarm you. as it's actually a sign that the active compounds are being processed properly by your body. But as powerful as beets are, the next trick works on a completely different mechanism that most people have never heard of. Number 2, cayenne pepper warm water tonic. This trick might sound intense, but the research behind it is absolutely compelling, especially for adults over 60 dealing with poor circulation in their legs, hands, and feet. We're talking about adding a small amount of cayenne pepper to warm water and drinking it as a daily tonic. Cayenne pepper contains a compound called capsaicin, which is the molecule responsible for that burning sensation when you eat spicy food. But what most people don't realize is that capsaicin is one of the most potent natural vasodilators ever studied. When capsaicin enters your bloodstream, it triggers the release of substance P and calcitonin gene-related peptide, two neuropeptides that cause your blood vessels to rapidly expand. A clinical study in the journal Clinical Nutrition found that participants who consumed capsaicin daily for 4 weeks experienced a 26% improvement in peripheral blood flow, meaning blood was reaching their extremities much more effectively. Another study in the British Journal of Clinical Pharmacology found that capsaicin consumption increased microcirculation, the flow of blood through your tiniest capillaries, by up to 31% in older adults. This is particularly important because microcirculation is what delivers oxygen and nutrients directly to your tissues at the cellular level. When microcirculation declines, you get symptoms like numbness in your toes, slow wound healing, and skin that bruises easily. To prepare this tonic, start with a large mug of warm water, not boiling but comfortably warm. Add just 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper powder and stir thoroughly until fully dissolved. This starting dose is very mild and will produce just a gentle warmth in your throat and stomach. Over the course of 2 weeks, you can gradually increase to 1/4 teaspoon as your tolerance builds. Drink this once daily, preferably in the morning, about 30 minutes before breakfast. The warm water is important because it helps the capsaicin absorb more quickly through your stomach lining and into your bloodstream. If you find the taste too sharp, you can add a small squeeze of lemon to mellow it out without reducing effectiveness. People taking blood-thinning medications should consult their doctor before starting this, because capsaicin can enhance the effects of those drugs. However, for most healthy adults over 60, this tonic is a safe and remarkably effective way to push blood into areas of your body that have been slowly losing circulation for years. Now, everything we've covered so far has been powerful, but this final trick is the one that researchers say produced the most dramatic results they have ever seen in a circulation study. Number 1, hibiscus flower cold brew. This is the trick that earned the number 1 spot on this list, and once you hear the research, you'll understand exactly why. Hibiscus flowers, specifically the dried petals of the Hibiscus sabdurifa plant, contain an extraordinarily high concentration of anthocyanins and polyphenols that work directly on your blood vessels in a way no other natural ingredient can match. When you cold brew these petals in water overnight, you extract the maximum amount of these compounds without destroying them with heat. A landmark clinical trial in the Journal of Human Hypertension studied adults with an average age of 65 and found that those who consumed hibiscus water daily for 6 weeks experienced a 44% improvement in flow-mediated dilation, which is the gold standard measurement for how well your blood vessels expand and contract. That 44% number stunned the researchers because it rivals the effects of some prescription medications designed specifically for vascular health. Another major study in phytoterapia found that hibiscus extract reduced arterial stiffness by 17% in older adults over just 4 weeks. Arterial stiffness is one of the primary drivers of poor circulation after 60, because stiff arteries cannot flex and push blood forward the way healthy elastic vessels can. The anthocyanins in hibiscus work by increasing the bioavailability of nitric oxide while simultaneously reducing oxidative stress in the endothelial cells that line your arteries. Think of it as both boosting the signal for your vessels to relax and cleaning up the damage that has been preventing them from responding properly. To prepare this correctly, take 2 tablespoons of dried hibiscus petals and place them in a large glass jar with about 1 liter of cold filtered water. Do not use hot water, because temperatures above 70 degrees Celsius destroy a significant portion of the anthocyanins. Place the jar in your refrigerator and let it steep for a minimum of 8 hours, though 12 hours produces the strongest concentration. In the morning, strain out the petals and drink the deep red liquid throughout the day. It has a naturally tart flavor similar to cranberry, and you can add a small amount of raw honey if you need to soften the taste. Aim for 3 to 4 glasses spread across the day so your blood vessels receive a continuous supply of these protective compounds. You can find dried hibiscus petals at most health food stores, international grocery shops, or online. They are incredibly affordable, and a single bag can last you weeks. Consistency of daily intake is what matters most, because the studies showing the strongest results were all based on regular, uninterrupted consumption over multiple weeks. This is not a one-time fix, but rather a daily habit that progressively restores vascular function you may have been losing for decades without even realizing it. And that brings us to the end of these 5 powerful tricks that can transform ordinary water into a circulation-boosting drink your body has been craving. The beautiful thing is that none of these require a prescription. None of them are expensive, and all of them are backed by real, published clinical research. You can start with just one of these tricks today and build from there as you discover which ones work best for your body. Your blood vessels have the ability to recover and improve at any age, and sometimes all they need is the right support dissolved in a simple glass of water. If you found this information helpful, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss future videos where we break down the latest science on staying healthy and strong after 60. Thank you so much for watching.